So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you two ways of switching on your Apple Watch. So the first method is by long pressing on the side button, this one right here, next to the crown, this one. So just long press on that button until you see the Apple logo. And as soon as you see the Apple logo, just release the button and allow your Apple Watch to boot. Another way you can switch on your Apple Watch is by simply connecting it to a charger. So let's say you try to press this button and nothing is showing up or nothing is working. Just get your charger, connect the other side to a source of power and connect your Apple Watch. That should start your Apple Watch. As you can see, you'll see the Apple logo in no time, and then you can allow your watch to boot up while still charging, or you can even disconnect the charger at this point and your watch will still turn on. So those are the two different ways of switching on or turning on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.